The uniform design couldn't be created without cooperation with the cabin crew. All flight attendants had an opportunity to express themselves in sketches, and we have received a lot of sketches with ideas and examples of how they imagine their uniforms in the nearest future. All these sketches were compared and analyzed with each other. This way I could find some key features and design elements that need to be set in a new design. We have stepped away from very traditional look of the uniforms and implemented some femininity and airBaltic original colors, giving a fresh and modern look for the uniforms.
airBaltic pilots and cabin crew are ambassadors for our airline. We are proud to be wearing our new uniforms in the nearest future.